Today, I'll show you how to create the popular blur to focus effect. This effect is perfect if you want your video to start off blurred and then gradually sharpen into clear focus. Great for dramatic openings or storytelling moments. First, make sure your video is on the timeline. Tap on the video to select it. Now, head down to the bottom toolbar and tap on Effects. From here, scroll over to the Blur tab. Inside the Blur tab, you'll find an effect called Fuzzy Opening. Go ahead and apply it to your clip. By default, you'll see your video start blurred and then slowly come into focus. If you want to tweak it, just tap on the effect again. Here, you can adjust the blur intensity using the slider. Decide how strong you want the blur at the beginning. You'll also notice yellow handles on the timeline. Drag these to control how long the transition lasts, whether you want a quick focus or a slow, dramatic one. And that's it. You've successfully created a blur to focus effect in VN Video Editor. Play around with the intensity and timing to get the exact cinematic look you want. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick VN video editing tricks.